Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring power and signaling hardware are ready. Insert fresh batteries or confirm the internal battery is charged because low power prevents pairing. Once done, flip the keyboard power switch to on and confirm the LED lights. If your model uses a USB receiver, locate it now. If it supports Bluetooth, put your host device into Bluetooth settings. You do this first to avoid wasted pairing attempts with a dead keyboard or missing receiver. Next, you complete the pairing step by method. If you have a USB receiver, plug it directly into the computer's USB port. Do not use an unpowered hub because detection can fail. If you're using Bluetooth, press and hold the keyboard's connect button to enter pairing mode. The LED will blink. Then, on your host device, open Bluetooth or Logitech options, scan, and choose the keyboard name. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts so the keyboard establishes a secure link. Finally, verify functionality and resolve common failures. Open a text editor and type to confirm key input, then test special keys. If keys do not register, reseat the USB receiver, restart the computer, and replace batteries. For Bluetooth, remove the device from host settings and repeat pairing. Make sure to update Logitech options and firmware because software updates fix driver conflicts and improve stability. If problems persist, try a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.